Alright. So that didn't sound right at all. Okay. Just gonna do this so I'll make sure that went over a cat. Kitty, where are you? Hopefully not in the car. Hey guys, sorry it's been so long since I've been on here, but I've just kind of taken all the little videos that I've started to make. I put them in one video together. I didn't get to make any for Thanksgiving, like I didn't record any when we were over at where we were, so sorry about that, but this is kind of just, I've also been sick, so I haven't been able to record or anything, so sorry about that. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm hoping this doesn't fall. I'm gonna try to go. It fell! Don't fall. Don't fall. Park it right there. So we got some salt blocks too. I forgot about those. That's not fun to carry. I'm just kidding, it's not. I just spent the last 10 minutes trying to put a stupid chicken back in the pen. Okay, but now, that was hard. How am I gonna go through here? It's a really tight space. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I'm gonna try. I'm taking the feed and the salt blocks back here. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go through that space. I doubt it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. It's too small. So that's Tippy. Okay, so I'm having to do a voiceover, but we got some more animals, and I'm super excited. But we got some more little piggies, and they're so cute. We were only supposed to get one more, but we ended up getting two. And they are so adorable. So it just got done raining. It was super cold outside. The sun was coming out, but it looked like smoke on the fields, and it was really cool. So for Thanksgiving, we ended up going to a friend's, and I ended up crocheting most of the time, but we went out and played with her ponies and horses that she had, and they were so sweet, and I did not get any footage of that, sadly. I'm really wishing I did, but I didn't. But yeah, I don't have any more for right now. I'm sorry this video was like so short and kind of nothing, but it's all I could pull together for you guys. I'm so sorry. Thank you for waiting on me, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.